going to do a series of stretches to help prevent injuries. But our first stretch is going to be called the calf stretch. Your calf is the back part of your leg right here. What you first got to do is find a steady piece of equipment right here in front of us. What you want to do is stand about arm's length apart, stick either your left or your right leg forward. Place them directly behind each other. Don't bend slightly inward or out. So what you want to do is, with your front leg, you want to bend slowly and hold for 30 seconds. And after you're done holding 30 seconds, you want to rotate the other leg.
The second stretch we're about to demonstrate is the hamstring stretch. Now the hamstring is right here on the back of your leg, between your knee and the upper thigh. And to stretch this out, the first thing you have to do is lie down on the floor, hit the wall like this, get it about even with your knee, lie back. Then you're going to bring your right leg up, put your right heel on the wall. You have to keep your knee straight, and you hold this position for 30 seconds until you feel the stretch.
Your third stretch is your quadricep stretch right here. What you want to do is, again, stand against a steady piece of equipment about arm's length. What you want to do is lift your back leg, grabbing your ankle, and stretching your muscles. You want to tighten your stomach to prevent your stomach from moving out and preventing from sagging. Hold for about 30 seconds, and then repeat on the other leg, like so.
The fourth stretch we're about to do is the hip flexor stretch. Now the hip flexor is a muscle right here, right in between your hip and your upper thigh. Now to stretch this out, you need a folded towel, like so. You're going to put it down here. You're going to put your left knee down and your right leg in front of you for stability. And then you're going to rock forward slowly, putting weight on your front leg. And you should feel a stretch right in here. You're going to lean forward for 30 seconds until you feel the stretch. Then you'll switch knees. Do it for this one, leaning forward, putting weight on your front leg.
Stretch 5 is shoulder stretch. The shoulder stretch helps you prevent rotator cuff problems, like if you're playing such sports like baseball, football, or tennis, which makes you overhand your shoulder. Basically, the first shoulder stretch involves you bringing your right arm across your body, holding it with your left, and holding it for 30 seconds, like so. Then you switch after that 30 seconds and hold again for 30 seconds more. Now, to help you increase your stretchability, you want to take a towel like so, roll it up between your hands. You want to place it behind your back and try to stretch your top hand and try to touch the ceiling hold for 30 seconds. And you also then want to switch after that 30 seconds.
The final stretch we'll demonstrate is a neck stretch, which will stretch out the muscles right along the back of your neck. First step you have to do is bend your head forward and slightly to the right, and then with your right hand grab your head and pull it down until you feel the stretch. And you're supposed to hold this for 30 seconds. And then once you feel the stretch, bend your head forward slightly to the left with your left hand, pull your neck down and hold this for 30 seconds, and you completed your neck stretch.